Hi, this is Kathy from Nail Basics. I'm coming to you from my favorite place, my nail desk. I just wanted to take a couple minutes of your time to show you how to teach your clients to care for their own nails at home. It's quick, easy, and simple. I have just a couple of products I'm going to take you through. I'm going to demo on working on my hard hand because there's a couple little tips and tricks I've got for you today. Okay, I'm going to give you a demo of how to maintain your enhancements with a few quick and simple, easy tips and tools to use in a little tiny kit that we put together for you that you can provide to your client. I'm going to start with a zebra file that is a 100-180 grit, and I'm going to demo on my difficult hand. It's quite easy to look after your easy hand to file, but for a client at home, it's a little more challenging to shorten. It's important to keep your nail enhancement as short as you can, or shorten as they grow. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my 100 grit side, hold my nail at a 45-degree angle, and I'm actually going to move my nail back and forth rather than try and manipulate the file until I achieve that little bit of shortening that I want to do. Just like so. Hold your file at a 45-degree angle, that way you can keep the free edge on the thinner side rather than thickening up into the support that your nail tech has built for you. So I've taken mine down about what I want them to have, what I've had them grow, and I was fortunate enough to get my nail fill done just before we had to start staying at home. So you can see I've got some growth and I've shortened without thickening up. You can shorten into a square or you can mimic the shape that your nail technician has provided for you. Then I'll go to my 180 side to refine that edge, like so. So it's nice and smooth. So you can see when you look down the barrel, it isn't thick and chunky. It still has that nice refined look to it. The next thing I'm going to recommend that we do is buff the shine of the polish off. Mine's already a little bit matted from the glasswork that I do. So now we're going to take a flash shiner. Using the green side, I'm going to again hold the tool and move the nail and mat that shine down. This will brighten it up for you until you have to put a new coat of polish on to accommodate for the regrowth. Just like so, so it's nice and matte. Then I'm going to take the nice white side and very vigorously buff that nail back up into a beautiful shine again. This will provide you a little bit of time before it grows out, where you have to actually let it come totally off. And don't worry, you will be able to get them back on again when we get through this little bit of a battle that we're going through out there. So you can see it's nice and shiny again. Then, to look after the cuticle, I'm actually just going to take my thumbnail and gently push that cuticle back. It's best to do this after you've had a bath, washed your hands vigorously, and you can see it gives me a bigger space, but we want to make sure our cuticles are in really good shape. Once I've got my cuticles pushed back, I'm going to go to my rose oil and open it. This is a brand new bottle, so it's on there a little bit tight. There we go. And apply my rose oil generously to my cuticles. And massage that in. Just like so. So it's nice and nourished and fresh and new looking. Once I've finished my cuticle care, I'll take my ORLY Rich Renewal Hand Cream, one of my favorites. This is called Pretty, It smells like vanilla and spice. It's beautiful. And massage that into my hands, my cuticles. Just like so. Now I always like to take a little bit of a second to wipe that nail a little bit after I finish putting the cream on. You can see the cream made it matte again. So I'll take a little wipe. In this case I use one of my nail wipes and just give that nail a buff, and up it comes nice and beautiful and shiny again. I hope this helps with looking after your clients at home. We've put together, as I said, this simple little kit for you that you can provide to your clients at a nominal cost. With your zebra file, 100/180 side, your flash shiner, your buff down, your shine up, your young nails rose oil, my very favorite, has been for a very, very long time, and ORLY Rich Renewal, my favorite hand cream. I hope this helps you get through this period of time until your clients can get back to see you. Remember, the most important thing right now is that we stay at home.